Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet ladies handbag designs model. Let's start the video. Crochet ladies handbag designs are handmade accessories created using crochet techniques to craft stylish and functional bags. These bags come in variety of styles, shapes, patterns, and sizes, often blending traditional craftsmanship with modern fashion trends. Crochet ladies handbags combine beauty and practicality, making them a favorite choice for both casual and formal occasions. Whether you are crafting your own or purchasing a handmade design, these bags add a unique and stylish touch to any wardrobe. Here are some tips for designing, crafting, or selecting crochet ladies handbags to ensure they are stylish, functional, and durable. Planning your design. Choose a purpose. Decide if the bag is for casual use, formal events, or travel. This will guide the size, shape, and the style of the bag. Example, a tote for shopping needs to be spacious, while a cloth for evening wear can be small and decorative. Yarn selection. Durability. Use strong yarns like cotton, jute, or hemp for sturdy bags. Acrylic is great for lightweight designs, while blended yarns provide strength and flexibility. Weight. Choose a medium to bulky yarn for heavy-duty bags, and lighter yarns for decorative or lacy designs. Color fastness. Pick yarn that won't fade easily, especially if the bag will be exposed to sunlight or washed frequently. Pattern and stitch selection. Tight stitches. Use tight stitches like single crochet or half double crochet to prevent the bag from stretching or sagging. Textures. Incorporate textured stitches like bubbles, cables, or puff stitches for visual interest and sturdiness. Lacy designs. For decorative bags, use open work patterns like fillet crochet or granny squares, but line the bag for added durability. Reinforcement lining. Add a fabric lining to prevent stretching and secure the bag's shape. Tip. Use a complementary fabric color or pattern for extra touch of style. Reinforced straps. Double crochet two straps or use strap, leather or wooden handles for durability and comfort. Bottom support. Insert a cardboard or plastic base covered with fabric at the bottom of larger bags for structure. Embellishments add details, enhance the bag with beads, buttons, tassels, appliques, or embroidery. Secure attachments ensure that embellishments are firmly attached to withstand regular use. Themed coordination match decorations to the bag style. Boho rings for casual bags, pearls for formal clutches. Functionality closures and zippers magnetic snap or drawstring to secure the bag's contents. Pockets incorporate interior or exterior pockets for organization. Adjustable straps use T-rings or buckleless for adjustable straps, especially for crossbody or shoulder bags. Testing and adjustments. Strength test. Fill the bag with weight to check the durability of straps, stitches, and shims. Fit and comfort. Test the strap length and handle placement for comfortable carrying. Reinforce weak points. Double stitch stress points, like where handles are attached. Color and style tips. Neutral colors use beige, black, gray, or white for versatile, timeless designs. Seasonal colors. Bright colors for summer, earthy tones for fall, and darker hues for winter add seasonal flair. Multicolor yarn. Variegated or gradient yarns can create striking patterns without extra effort. With these tips, you can craft or choose a crochet handbag that is not only beautiful but also practical and long-lasting. I think these ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!